Have you ever thrown something in the bin and wondered where it actually goes? Because once rubbish leaves your house, it goes on a pretty wild journey. Every single day, millions of tons of rubbish are collected, sorted, crushed, burned, buried, or reused. And no, it doesn't all just disappear. So let's break down exactly how rubbish is processed, step by step. It all starts when your bin is collected by a garbage truck. These trucks don't just dump everything together. General waste recycling and green waste are usually collected separately, taken to separate facilities depending on what's inside the bin. Let's start with recycling. When recycling arrives at a recycling facility, it's tipped onto massive conveyor belts. Machines and workers sort the items by material. Paper and cardboard are separated first. Magnets pull out steel cans. Special machines use electric currents to separate aluminum. Plastic is sorted by type using lasers and air jets. Glass is broken into small pieces and cleaned. Once everything is sorted, the materials are compressed into large blocks called bales. These bales are then sent to factories where they're turned into new products. Recycled paper becomes new cardboard or toilet paper. Plastic bottles can turn into new bottles, clothing, or carpets. Glass gets melted down and turned into new jars and bottles. Now let's talk about general waste, the stuff that can't be recycled. This rubbish is usually taken to a landfill or a waste-to-energy facility. At a landfill, rubbish is spread out, compacted, and buried in layers. Soil is added on top to reduce smells and pests. Modern landfills are lined to stop harmful chemicals from leaking into the ground. Some rubbish is sent to waste-to-energy plants instead. Here, rubbish is burned at very high temperatures. The heat created is used to produce electricity. While this reduces the amount of waste going to landfill, it still creates pollution, so it's carefully controlled. Green waste like food scraps and garden clippings is handled differently. This waste is taken to composting facilities, shredded, mixed, and left to break down naturally. Over time, it turns into nutrient-rich compost that's used on farms, gardens, and parks. So what happens if rubbish is put in the wrong bin? That's where problems start. One wrong item can contaminate an entire batch of recycling, causing it to be sent to landfill instead. That's why sorting rubbish correctly really matters. In the end, rubbish doesn't just vanish. It's sorted, processed, reused, burned, or buried. And every choice we make when we throw something away affects what happens next. So next time you use a bin, remember where you put your rubbish actually makes a difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.